Welcome to our series focused on making Canvas courses ADA Title II compliant. In this video, we're going to explore how to create accessible links in Canvas. So as an example, I've created a couple here for you to take a look at. These are commonly seen in Canvas courses. Example number 1, you'll just add, for more information, click here. Or example 2, where it's just a link to the file that you want to share with students. Both of these are relatively inaccessible and they can be made better very quickly and very easily. Instead, write a full sentence and link part of that sentence. So in this case, review this visual to learn more about food security and access. So all I'm going to do is edit, then I'm going to find the spot in my Canvas course, Canvas page. I'm going to highlight what I want. I'm going to click on the little chain link, but I want to click on the drop down next to it, and I want to choose external link. And I'm just going to paste the link in that I want to share, and I'm going to click done. And then click save. And now students can see a much more visually accessible link. I hope this helped.